If your HVAC system keeps acting up because it just does not play nice with certain brands, you are definitely not alone. So first thing, always check if your new HVAC parts or equipment are compatible with what you already have. It sounds simple, but a lot of people skip this and then get stuck with stuff that won't connect or work right. Next, ask the contractor or store if they have experience working with your specific brand. Sometimes some brands need special tools or settings. Also, don't forget to look for online reviews or forums where people talk about how certain brands mix, because that can save you a headache. If you want to upgrade just one part, like a thermostat or air handler, make sure it matches the communication protocols of your existing system, like whether it uses Wi-Fi or a proprietary control system. Another tip is to keep your system's manual handy or download it online so you can double-check compatibility before buying anything new. And if you're unsure, it never hurts to call customer service for both brands and ask if they recommend mixing their products. Last but not least, sometimes investing a bit more upfront in compatible parts saves you big bucks down the line on repairs or replacements. One of the biggest issues with HVAC brand incompatibility is buying parts that do not communicate properly, which leads to frequent breakdowns or inefficient operation. Fix this by verifying compatibility before purchase. Another common mistake is assuming any professional can handle all brands equally well. Some contractors specialize and know the quirks better, so pick one who is experienced with your brand. Lastly, people often ignore software updates or firmware issues that cause incompatibility in newer smart HVAC systems. Make sure to keep everything updated and check for patches on the manufacturer's website. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can quickly find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to HVAC and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.